Welcome back to our channel. In the next month we will take you around this underrated Balkan country called Bosnia and Herzegovina, and starting off in
Mostar. So we're gonna go around by car, seeing sightseeing, rivers, waterfalls, a bit of everything. So let's start this adventure. We are exploring the Neretva River.
And a fun fact about the river, this is the coldest river in the world with only 8 degrees in summer and winter. It's an early morning and we are heading somewhere very exciting.
We're gonna go rafting in the coldest river!
Yes, the Neretva River! After a short ride from Mostar, we are now at Bunski Canal, a nature phenomenon where a river floats like a waterfall into the canal.
Don't close your eyes, wait until the night is over. I'll show you paradise, but hang on just a little longer.
To explore the most attractive locality here on Kravica River, called Waterfall Kravica, or better called Oasis in stone.
And we're now going down, it's around 400 meters going down, so nice walk downstairs. We're going out to the grass here, just exploring a bit. And it costs 10 euros for foreigners, so not that expensive and definitely a great place to see.
And after a short 400-meter walk, we made it to the beautiful waterfall.
Don't close your eyes, it's not even the midnight hour. Hold on and hold tight.
You also have some small cafes where you can buy some food and drinks, cash only. And then you can enjoy the marvelous view.
You will be mine, let it unfold. Your letters intertwine, so don't close your eyes just yet.
After a short 25-minute drive, we are now at Kravica Waterfall, which is located on the Mlincici River.
And the must try here is Ćevapi, basically like a sausage made of pork, and you have some French fries. You can also give it a flatbread, but we have the French fry version. Definitely one you should try. We are somewhere here between the mountains.
Not so far from Mostar.
Yeah, we're gonna do something adventurous today. Some of you might guess already seeing what we have on. We're gonna go Fia Faretta in the mountains up here. The angle makes it not look that epic, but we're excited. We are quite high here on an amazing viewpoint. Now doing a little hike to continue a bit higher, but we have views for days over here.
We're about 478 meters.
Yeah.
So it's time to explore a bit more of the nature here in Bosnia, and we are now at Blidinje Nature Park.
We're now here at the ancient graveyard called Stečni and enjoying the beautiful, marvelous view and the rich nature and history.
After a dusty 1-hour ATV ride, we made it to an altitude of 2,200 meters, and now we are all the way up these snowy peaks.
In my heart is a waterfall of windmills and rockets and empty baskets. In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees and lit up windows and pools.
So today we have a 2-hour drive to a new region here in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we just encountered some wild horses on the road.
It's a waterfall of silver linings and dirty laundry and bedtime names. In my heart.
A must-visit place here is Jajce, which is a fairy tale looking little village with a waterfall, and there are many more waterfalls to visit around this area. And the good thing is everything is like 10 minutes distance from each other. Let's try something different as food today.
We've seen pancake signs everywhere from different regions we've been to, so now here in Jajce we're gonna try some pancakes.
They look amazing.
In my heart is a waterfall.
So we ditched our car for an ATV and now we are ready to explore the
Findings and two dogs fighting. Two dogs fighting. My heart is a waterfall. Catch me falling. Catch me falling. Catch me falling. My heart is a waterfall.
A top site here is Mlincici, which is technically a place with a big waterfall and little wooden houses on top.
In my heart.
We made it now to a new city, well, sort of.
We are not staying in the city, we are staying on Jablanica Lake and we are now doing a boat ride on Jablanica Lake.
Definitely something you should do. We're checked in, we're staying right over there, name's under here. And we're gonna stay 2 days, we're gonna explore a bit, see the sights, and starting off with a beautiful boat tour.
Tick-tock, time's up, better make a move. Don't think twice now, you got things to prove. I'm not playing, I'm not hard to get. 'Cause when I saw you, there was nothing else. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let us open up about it. Maybe we will fit right in.
Today we're having something that's known here in the Balkan.
So in this country they love barbecue and for this dish they went very creative because everything you see is slow cooked in a clay pot and then they put the charcoal from the barbecue on the clay pot.
Don't fool around, you know I've been waiting, honey. Let's fall deep down in love. Down in love.
Did you know there's a cable car here in Sarajevo? Well, we're gonna show you right now.
Let's fall deep down in love. Tick-tock, time's up, got my trust in you. This might seem typical, but for me it's new. I'm not desperate, I'm in need of you. Come here, show me, and I'll show you. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let us open up about it. Maybe we will fit right in. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let's.
So today we're doing something super exciting.
We're on a market and gastronomy tour.
And we're now in the closed market, was
Yes.
it? Yes. And afterwards we're gonna go to the open market, but let's show you around.
Don't fool around, you know I've been waiting, honey. Oh, don't let me down, I've been cute in love sometimes.
at the local house, and to indulge more flavors of Bosnia and Herzegovina, we're going to do a cooking class.
And we're gonna get a cooking class by a grandma. So usually, you know, that's like amazing food. So let's get it on. So we are now gonna enjoy it.
It's a mix of dolmas.
So a mix of dolmas and what's the exact name?
Sarajevski sahan.
Sarajevski sahan.
If you want to escape the heat in Sarajevo, you only have to try 30 minutes uphill at an elevation of 1,500 meters, and now we are in Jagorina, where we will do some beautiful hikes and enjoy the cooler temperatures.
And we made it to Vrelo Minjake. Took a while, but we're finally here and the nature is amazing.
And like that, our time in Bosnia and Herzegovina came to an end.
And we're ready on the road, going to a new destination, which is Montenegro.
If you want to see more of our Balkan adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe.